Good morning, students. Welcome to 10th standard science class. Students, today's topic is on structural organization of animals, unit 13. You have learnt in lower classes about the classification of animals kingdom. We will recall here the kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia means animals world. The animals world is divided into two groups, invertebrates and chordates. Invertebrate means without backbone. Chordates means with backbones. In this chapter, you will understand the structural morphology and anatomy of an invertebrate, leech. Okay. The scientific name of the Indian cattle leech is Hydneria granulosa. Belongs to phylum Annelida group. Okay, students, let us go to the lesson. Shape and size. The body of leech is soft, vermiform, elongated and segmented. It becomes ribbon shaped. Ribbon shaped when extend and almost cylindrical when contracted. Leeches may grow to length of 35 centimeter. Coloration. This is coloration. Dorsal surface olive green in color and the ventral surface is orange, yellow, red in color. Segmentation. Metamerism. Metamerism is the segmentation of the body. The body of leech is metamerically divided into 33 segments. The segments are arranged one behind the other. Each segment is further superficially subdivided into rings of annule. A temporary clitellum is formed, the organ, on segments 9 to 11, which is meant to produce cocoon during the breeding season. Cocoon means egg case, like cover inside the egg. This is the outer cell of the egg. Next, receptors. Receptor means feeling organ. So, on the dorsal side there are 5 pairs of eyes on the first 5 segments. Each segment bears a number of sensory projections called receptors. Annular receptors are located in each annulus and segmental receptors are located on the first annulus of each segment. Suckers. Leech has 2 suckers. The sucker located at the anterior end is called anterior sucker or oral sucker, which is ventral in position occupying the first 5 segments. The posterior sucker is formed by the fusion of the last 7 segments. The next, external aperture. External aperture means outer holes. The first one, anus. Anus is a small aperture that opens on the middle dorsal side of 26th segment. Next, nephridiopores. Nephridia may open to the exterior by 17 pairs of nephridiopores. They live ventrally on the last annulus of each segment from 6 to 22. Next, male genital pore. It is a mid-ventral opening situated between second and third annuli of 10th segment. Next, the mouth, it is located in the middle of anterior sucker. Next, female genital pore. It lies mid-ventrally between second and third annuli of 11th segment. This is 11th segment. These are external aperture of leech. Segment அப்படிங்கிறது என்னென்னா அந்த புழுவோட உடம்பை கட்டமாக பிரிச்சுக்கும். கோடு கூட லைனாக இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த பகுதியை தான் நம்ம செக்மெண்ட்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா? தட்ஸ் ஆல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். Body. The body of leech is divided into 6 regions. Cabalic region, head side, first and fifth. first to fifth segments. Next, precliteral region, sixth, seventh and eighth region. Clitoral region, so in the center pagudi, center chest, ninth, 10th and 11th region. Middle region means stomach part, 12th to 22nd segment. Caudal region, abdomen part, 23rd to 26th segment. Posterior sucker, 27th to 33 varaikkum. That's all. The body wall of leech includes 5 layers. First one, cuticle, the outermost layer. Cuticle means outermost layer. Second one, epidermis. Epidermis, which lies below the cuticle. It lies below the cuticle. Next, dermis, which lies below the epidermis, formed of connective tissues. It is formed connective tissues. Next, muscular layer, formed of circular and longitudinal muscles. Next, portoidal tissues, lies beneath longitudinal muscles and fills the cerebellum around the gut. Locomotion of leech takes place by looping or groveling movement and swimming movement. First one, looping or groveling movement. This type of movement is brought about by the contraction and relaxation of muscles. The two suckers serve for attachment during movement on a substratum. Next one, swimming movement. Leeches swim very actively and perform undulating movements in water. Looping or groveling means வளைதல் அல்லது ஊறுதல். இதோட மூமெண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா வளைஞ்சு போகும் அல்லது ஊர்ந்து போகும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஸ்விம்மிங் மீன்ஸ் நீந்தி போகிற அந்த ஹேபிட்டும் அதுக்கு இருக்குது. The next topic is the digestive system. The digestive system includes long alimentary canal and the digestive glands. Digestive means food pipe. Alimentary canal means food pipe. Okay. Alimentary canal that leads, the alimentary canal of leech is a straight tube running from the mouth to the anus. Mouth is a triradiate, that is 3 holes aperture, situated in the middle of the anterior sucker that leads into the small buccal cavity. The wall of the buccal cavity bears 3 jaws with a single row of minute teeth. The jaws are provided with papillae, which bear the openings of salivary glands. Mouth and buccal cavity occupy the first 5 segments. Papillae means open place. So, papillae means open place. So, the buccal cavity leads into muscular pharynx, throat part. It is surrounded by salivary glands. The secretion of saliva contains hirudin. Hirudin means a liquid substance which prevents the coagulation of blood. Coagulation means ரத்தம் உறையிறத தடுக்கிறதுக்கான வேலையை hirudin பண்ணுது. Pharynx leads into crop through a short and narrow esophagus. So, esophagus means food pipe. Crop is the largest portion of the alimentary canal. There is small bag. Crop means small bag. It's divided into a series of 10 chambers with one another through circular aperture surrounded by sphincters. A pair of lateral backwardly directed cecae arises as blind outgrowth from each chamber known as ceca. Ceca means kudalwal. Crop and its diverticula can store large amount of blood which can be slowly digested. The last chamber of crop opens into stomach. The stomach leads into intestine, which is a small straight tube that opens into rectum. The rectum opens to the exterior by anus. blood is stored in a crop chambers and is diverticulum. The blood passes from the crop into the stomach. Digestion takes place in stomach by the action of proteolytic enzyme. The digested blood is then absorbed slowly by the intestine. Undigested food is stored in rectum and digested through anus. Leeches prevent blood clotting by secreting a protein called hirudin. They also inject an anesthetic substance that prevents the host from feeling the bite. இந்த லீச்சிங் அட்டை ஹிரிடின் என்ற லிக்விட் புரோட்டீன் வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறதுனால ரத்தம் உறையிறதை வந்து தடுக்குது. Circulatory system. In leech, circulation is brought about by hemosolid system. Hemosolid system means blood ஓட உடற்குழி மண்டலம் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். There are no true blood vessels. The blood vessels are replaced by channels called hemosolic channel. There are 4 longitudinal channels. One channel is dorsal side of alimentary canal. Next, ventral side of alimentary canal. Next to and internal sides. So, all the 4 channels are connected together posteriorly in the 26th segment. They have valves and act as heart. Above canal, dorsal. Below canal, ventral. The side canal, other two, lateral canal. Next, nerve system. The central nerve system of leech consists of a nerve ring and a paired ventral nerve cord. The nerve ring surrounds the pharynx and is formed of pharyngeus ganglion. There is brain. Circumpharyngeal, connective and subpharyngeal ganglion. The suprapharyngeal ganglion lies below the pharynx and is formed by the fusion of 4 pairs of ganglia. Okay, here. So both are brain connected by circumpharyngeal connective. So both are connected. That's all. Next, excretory system. In leech, excretion takes place by segmentally arranged paired tubules called nephridia. There are 17 pairs of nephridia which open out by nephritiopores from 6th to 22nd segments. So, these segments are called excretive system. So, there are 17 pairs of nephridia which open out by nephritiopores. Leeches do not have air, hence can sense vibrations through their skin. Next, leeches have 2 to 10 tiny eyes which helps them to locate their food. They can suck blood 5 times more than their body weight. Next topic, reproductive system. First one, male reproductive system. There are 11 pairs of testes, one pair in each segment from 12 to 22 segments. They are in the form of spherical sacs called testis sacs, like bag. From each testis arises a short duct called vas efferents, which join with the vas deferens. The vas deferens becomes involved to form the epidermis or sperm vesicle to store spermatozoa. The epidermis leads to a short duct called sperm vessels, means mature bag-like organ. The epidermis leads to a short duct called ejaculatory duct, the reproductive place. The ejaculatory ducts on the both sides join to form the genital atrium. Replace. The atrium consists of 2 regions, the coiled prostate glands and the perineal sac, consisting of penis that opens through the male genital pore. Leech is hermaphrodite because hermaphrodite means இருவாள் உயிரி அப்படி சொல்லுவோம். இருவாள் உயிரி. Because both the male and female reproductive organs are present in the same animal. Next, we are going to see female reproductive system. So, the female reproductive system consists of ovaries, oviducts and vagina. There is a single pair of ovary in the 11th segment on the ventral side. Each ovary is a coiled ribbon shaped structure. The ova are budded off from the ovary. From each ovary runs a short oviduct. The oviducts of the two sides join together. That is, oviducts means like tube to form a common oviduct. The common oviduct opens into a pear shape which lies mid-ventrally in the posterior part of the 11th segment. The last topic, adaptation of leech. Parasitic adaptation of leech. Leeches had a parasitic mode of life by sucking the blood of vertebrates and show several important adaptations in their structure. In structure several important adaptations இருக்கு. The first one பார்த்தீங்கன்னா blood is sucked by pharynx. Pharynx na throat part. So this throat part only suck the blood from the human or other animals. That is pharynx. Next one, anterior and posterior ends of the body are provided with suckers by which the animal. Anterior means the anterior and posterior na front back சொல்லுவோம். That place. Suckers by which the animal attaches itself to the body of the host. Host of in the body la suck பண்ண blood. The next one, the three jaws inside the mouth causes a painless Y-shaped wound in the skin of the host. Painless. So அந்த அட்டைப்பூச்சி கடிக்கும்பொழுது நமக்கு no pain. We don't know how will it bite, but that safe is Y-shaped. அதோட பல்லு எப்படி பதியும்னா Y-shaped wound. கடிக்கிறவங்களோட உடம்புல வலி இல்லாமல் Y-shaped ஒரு காயத்தை ஊண்டுங்கிறது காயத்தை ஏற்படுத்தக்கூடியது. அவங்களோட ஸ்கின்னில் ஒய் வடிவத்தில் ஒரு ஊண்டு ஏற்படும் அப்படிங்கிறது. நெக்ஸ்ட், த salivary glands produce hirdine which does not allow the blood to coagulate. Thus a continuous supply of the blood is maintained. So here blood clot ஆகாமல் பார்த்துக்கக்கூடியது. சரி, நெக்ஸ்ட், salivary glands produce hirdine. Salivary glands produce hirdine. It is a liquid. This liquid does not allow the blood to coagulate. This is continuous supply of the blood is maintained. Okay, next, parapodia and setae are completely absent here. Next, side legs. Parapodia and setae side legs are absent here. Next, blood is stored in the crop. Students, in this video we studied about leech. Today's homework. Students, repeatedly watch the video and learn the lesson properly. I have given you homework. Read and understand the question and answers, and then write the answers 3 times in your classwork note. After writing, send me the answers to my WhatsApp number. Okay students, we will meet in next class with another topic. Thank you students, and God bless you all.